In home care, performance, mildness, and caring properties don't always go hand in hand. But GlucoPure Sense is changing this. Originally known for delivering outstanding skin mildness in hand dishwashing, this sunflower-based glucamide now shows it's just as powerful in laundry. Made from 100% renewable European sunflower oil and glucose, GlucoPure Sense is built on a smart sugar lipid structure that mimics nature's own gentle cleaners. At the molecular level, this unique pairing creates a surfactant that's tough on grease but kind to skin and fabrics. With an RCI of over 96%, it's not just gentle on people, but on the planet too. In dishwashing, it stabilizes foam, improves rinsing, and leaves hands with a soft, moisturized feel. No irritant labels, no compromises. In laundry, it contributes to cleaning while delivering unexpected fabric care benefits. Less wrinkling, easier ironing, and a noticeable softness, all without affecting fiber functionality. It even helps reduce spotting and filming when used as a rinse aid in automatic dishwashing. From dishes to laundry, this is smart surfactant science made renewable and with real sensory benefits. This is innovation for greater chemistry.